Hey y'all, welcome back to Horse Ranch Mountain Farm. So we're still working on our house a little bit at a time, and today we're going to make a new walkway going from our kitchen entrance out. All it is right now is gravel, and it's just what we had when we built the house. So we had this pea gravel left over from a job. We have this pea gravel left over, and we had this about half a pallet of flagstone left over from another job. They only sell it by the pallet. We only needed half a pallet, so we had this left over, and we're like, hey, we'll make a flagstone walkway. So here we go. Here's the finished product, guys. Looks much better. And we took the mulch out of this one little area right here and put the rest of the pea gravel in here, because every time the dogs would run around the porch and jump off here and push the gravel down into the mulch. We're going to build a set of steps right here, and we're going to put stepping stones across to this area, but we just don't have time to do it today. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.